However, the girl was still eating more and more. From time to time she would stop and provoke the man, instantly attracted ridicule from the audience. The man was so angry that he slapped himself while chewing. Just a moment, the strong man was choked. However, the girl drank a lot of water to prevent herself from being choked. As the girl ate the last piece of steak, she won this game. Encountering such an opponent, the man had to throw up his hands and admit defeat. The audience suddenly became excited. Unexpectedly, the woman spurted out a stream of urine. After learning about the situation, the team only knew the truth. It turned out that in order not to be choked, the girl drank a lot of water, so she got hyponatremia. That was water intoxication. They quickly inserted the urinary tube into the girl's body. With the complete elimination of urine, the girl was now out of danger.